Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping? Well, AliDropship might just be the answer to your prayers. But before you dive in, you might be wondering, how do I even activate this thing? Let's find out together. Imagine you're a budding entrepreneur with a great idea for an online store. You've got the passion, the vision, but maybe not the capital to stock up on products. That's where AliDropship comes in. It's a powerful plugin that connects your WordPress website directly to AliExpress, allowing you to sell products without ever holding any inventory. Step-by-step guide. Installation. The first step is to install the AliDropship plugin on your WordPress website. This is pretty straightforward. Just go to your WordPress dashboard, search for AliDropship in the plugins directory, install it, and activate it. API key. Once activated, you'll need to provide the plugin with your AliExpress API key. This key acts as your passport to the AliExpress marketplace. To get your API key, you'll need to create an AliExpress seller account. It's free and easy to do. Plugin settings. After entering your API key, you'll need to configure the plugin settings. This includes setting your store's currency, shipping options, and other preferences. Take your time to explore the settings and customize them to your liking. Importing products. Now comes the fun part. Importing products from AliExpress. The plugin has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to search for products, filter them by category or keyword, and add them to your store. You can even customize product descriptions, images, and prices. Order fulfillment. Once a customer places an order on your store, the plugin automatically places the order on AliExpress. AliExpress then ships the product directly to your customer, saving you the hassle of inventory management and shipping. Product selection. Choose products that are in high demand, have good reviews, and are offered by reliable sellers. Pricing strategy. Set competitive prices that will attract customers while still allowing you to make a profit. Marketing and promotion. Promote your store through social media, email marketing, and other channels to drive traffic and sales. Activating the AliDropship plugin is a simple process that can open up a world of possibilities for online entrepreneurs. By following these steps and leveraging the power of the plugin, you can create a successful online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping. Ready to start your own online store? Download the AliDropship plugin today and start selling products from AliExpress. With a little effort and creativity, you can turn your online store into a thriving business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.